say this is a big rich town. I just come from the poet's part. Bright light, city life, I gotta make it, this is where it goes down. I just happen to come up hard. Legal or illegal, baby, I gotta make it.
Took a straight path.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I really wanted to go over the darker side of trading. I want to discuss drawdown. What is it? What comes with it? How does it happen? Could it be avoided? All these things I want to cover and kind of go over with you guys. So drawdown is essentially when, let's say we have a $2,000 trading account, and after you place a couple of trades, that $2,000 is now $1,500. You're in $500 of drawdown. So when you're in that period of being in the negative, being in the red, a lot of emotions are gonna come up. You're gonna feel FOMO, probably gonna do some more damage because of all the negative emotions that you're gonna be feeling. Probably gonna wanna overtrade for sure. Probably going to risk more to make it all back. Probably can't accept the loss that you're about to face. And all of those things lead to bigger losses. Essentially, because for every trader who's been doing it long enough, we all experience those moments where our accounts are really taking a hit. And it's just all about how you manage your losing season will dictate whether you're going to make it to that winning season. That's the name of the game. Manage your risk. You have to have risk management to become profitable, because you're never going to see the profits if you can't withstand a drawdown period. It doesn't make any sense. So learning to have risk management and incorporate that into your trading is a big key to lasting through your next drawdown period. It's hard. I'm not going to lie. It's tough. It feels like there's no hope for you. You just want to say F it and just full port the account, but stay disciplined, bro. You can do it. It's hard. I know it's hard. I've done it, but it's worth it. Plan for it. That will be my number one advice as far as how could you avoid drawdown. Plan for it. Expect it. Put it in your trading account. All right, I'm going to be risking this much. I'm going to be going for this type of RR. So just in case I lose a couple trades, I'm up because that's why I go for it 1 or 3. Something like that. Work for it. All right, out of every 20 trades, I know I'm going to lose, let's say around 5, 6. You got to know your strategy. You got to know how you trade first. Then you can start doing all that type of stuff. You got to write. That's why you got to journal. I said it before. I'm going to say it again. You got to journal, bro. If you have data on yourself and you know how you perform and you have a record of what you do in the market, you could easily pull that into formulating a new trading plan that's geared towards you and how you act and your results in the market, not nobody else's, your results. Yeah, man, being drawdown is tough. It is no joke, but definitely something that everybody faces in this industry. Only those who make it alive to the next season of their trading will become the profitable trader, and that's achievable by anybody. You just got to be tough when the time to give up. All right, guys, that's all I got for this video. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. We'll keep saying it. Follow me on Instagram because I post all my trades on Instagram, bro. Yeah, man, let's lock in. Peace and love. Have a good one, man. See you on the next one. Peace.